All right, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, just a very short video. Hit 25,000 miles on the 2019 Ram recently. So we are going to do a 25,000 mile review. Luckily, I consider this to be a good thing. There's really nothing to add, not a whole lot. Here you can see, 25. There's nothing to really add between this video and the 20,000 mile review video, which is a good thing. That means nothing bad has happened. The only issue that I've had since the 20,000 mile review is once in a while, my remote start won't work. The range seems to be not as good. That could just be my batteries and the key fob getting weak. And then on top of the range not being quite as good, and we're not talking by a lot here, we're talking by like 15, 20 feet. But on top of that, sometimes the remote start doesn't work. It's kind of like a 25% chance. But I will say this, I don't think that is a RAM issue. I believe that has to do with my Taser DT that I have installed, which I have a video on that. Basically, it replaces your SGW module, which is your secure gateway module, which is pretty much the body controller on these Rams. You can see right here, there's my Taser. And the factory one is like right up above it. Hard to see, but just take my word for it. So it could very well be that it's the Taser causing my remote start problems, because I noticed that when the remote start fails and I come and I start my truck, as you see here, normally I have it on my MPG setting. Whenever it fails to remote start, and then I finally come and start the truck manually, it's always on speedometer. And I never have that on. I always have it on the MPG. So obviously something is happening that's a little wonky with the body controller system. And I believe that issue to be related probably to the Taser. Maybe it needs a firmware update. Maybe it's just starting to glitch on me a little bit. Not sure. But I don't believe that to be a RAM problem. If it is, I can't say for sure without plugging my factory SGW module back in. But that is the only problem that has surfaced between the 20,000 and 25,000 mile mark. I will post my 20, 15, and 10,000 mile review videos down in the video description if you want to check those out if you have not yet. Other than that, guys, I hope this short video was of some use to you and, you know, kind of good news in a way. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe for more. Check me out on all the socials. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.